Can you trust YouTubers when they tell you which stocks to buy, or should we all stay well clear of them? Welcome to the trading experiment, and as the name suggests, this is an experiment where I'll be buying stocks and reviewing them based solely on what I've found on YouTube, just to see if these YouTubers actually do know what they're talking about. So if you're interested, please stay with me and let's begin. So before I start, I just want to say that this is for entertainment and experimental purposes only. Please don't follow what I do. Let me lose my money, not yours, but hopefully I won't lose mine either. I was meant to start this channel in October, but as I've seen a big dip in the market, I thought what better time than to start experimenting now and getting the information out to you guys. Just to let you know, there won't be any deep technical analysis on the stocks, mainly because I'm not very good at it. But what I have done is spent hours and hours to get you the top picks that I've found. So my first stock is Workhorse. They're an EV company concentrating on last mile delivery and drone technology. There are lots of videos out there on YouTube with a lot saying it is a company to get into. Now, if you've not seen him, there's one bull in particular that you need to go and check out, and that is Jack Spencer. He is so enthusiastic that even if you didn't want to buy into the company, you will do after listening to him for 2 minutes. Now, is it too late to buy? YouTubers don't think so. And actually the price at the moment has gone down to around the $22 mark, which I think is a good price point to go into. What I'm going to do is do this experiment and going to find the stock and actually buy some. The stock is currently at $22 and I am going to press buy 50 shares and review order, send buy order, and hopefully it executes at a good price at $22.66. What you need to watch out for this stock is they are waiting on an announcement for the USPS contract. Now, if they do get this contract, the stock is bound to soar. There are 3 companies left remaining in the tender, and Workhorse are the only ones that are fully electrified vehicles. According to YouTubers, there seems to be a high possibility that Workhorse will get a large proportion of this $8 billion contract, if not all of it. So the USPS contract will be announced around October time, which is the common consensus for this stock. If you've made it to this point, I'd really appreciate you clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel to find out how the experiment goes. So stock number 2, I didn't really have on my original list to include, but as the stock has dipped so much, I thought I'd be a donkey if I didn't jump into this one. And that is paying homage to my favourite YouTuber of all time, that's Chicken Genius Singapore. And if you want to know anything on Tesla, please check this guy out if you've not done so already. Absolutely inspirational and imaginary. Hats off to you, sir. Okay, so I'm going to jump into this stock and get an experiment going. So as you can see, it's currently sitting at $382 and buying that. I'm going to buy 5. Execute send buy order, and I've got 5 at 381. Now YouTubers have recommended that this is a long-term hold, guys, so if you're not for the volatility of this company and your heart can't take it, don't invest in this one. I would just leave it alone, well alone. The third and final experiment will be with Lancadia Holdings, ticker symbol LCA. Now, this is a SPAC, which is a special purpose acquisition company, and it is doing a reverse merger with Golden Nugget Online Gaming, which is one of the US's big players in that market. Now, with the coronavirus on the rise and getting out of control once more, we can see only big things for this company. No specific date at the moment, but it's looking around September, October time for the reverse merger. and the price will be around 30-35. So let's jump into this experiment now. Okay, so Lancadia Holdings at the moment is around about $15. So let's jump into this experiment. I'm going to buy 50. Order. So I've executed at 15. Hopefully in October we may or may not see that this has doubled, just as YouTubers have advised it will. Time will tell. So that's the 3 picks done. Please join me in the next video where I will be reviewing to see how we've done on these 3 so far, and also I will be spending hours and hours and hours finding the next top 3 ones recommended by these YouTubers. Okay, thanks for joining the experiment. See you next time.